Love you, Gemini. Let's see what's coming up for your daily energy. And this is your relationship card. This is your career card. And this is your general reading, guys. Let's open your relationship card. Loyal heart, it says, guys. Gemini, your partnerships, friendships, and romantic relationships all have many qualities in common right now. Honest devotion, faithfulness, and a loyal heart are being shown to you. Are you as loyal in return? Now is the time for heartfelt commitments and trusting in divine protection. That's your relationship message for you, Gemini. And let's open up your career card. And it says, go the distance. Gemini, your most precious dreams are not about instant gratification, but enduring prosperity. This is a time to think long term and engage in continued action. You will experience momentum building as you translate the ebb and flow into slow and steady movement forward. Your efforts, ideas, and hard work now can lead to greater riches than you can imagine. Stoke the fire so that an uninterrupted stream of energy is available to support you in the phases of manifestation. Be assured that you are in the right place right now. And that's your career card for you guys. Now let's see what's your daily energy. It says all that glitters. Gemini. Gemini, it's only human to want to adorn oneself in trinkets and paint a pretty picture of oneself. It's natural to want to acquire the trappings of status or to deny them as a statement of rebellion. But if it sparkles, is it better? Whether it's a fast car, a big house, a title or position, the stamp of authority, or the sparkling of diamonds, these icons let you know something about a person, place, or thing. Or do they? The truth is that people seek to acquire things because of what they will do for them and how they symbolically will elevate them and make them more attractive. This card signals that it's time to see beyond the adornments and probe underneath the surface. Learn to recognize the masks people wear and the motives underlying them. Imagine that all the glitter is gone. Would you still desire the object or person? And that's your daily energy for you. Gemini, this is your daily readings. Have a lovely day, Gemini. I'll see you all tomorrow with another new reading. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.